Hey guys, Casey here with farmhacker.com, and today I want to show you how to make a pig drinker out of a 275-gallon tote. A few of the things I like about these 275-gallon totes are, one is it's very portable. So if you have a tractor with forks, it's real easy to just pull up to it, lift it up, drive it off somewhere, and set it down where you need it. Also, when they're empty, it's actually pretty easy for two people to move as well. Also, it holds 275 gallons of water, which is a lot of water and lasts my pigs quite a while. Also, on the top, there's a pretty large opening, which makes it easy to stick a garden hose in there to fill it up, or a pressure washer if you want to clean it out. And so today what I want to do is I want to show you how to take one of these and turn it into a pig drinker for your pigs. All right guys, in order to do this, you're going to need these four things. The first is this adapter that connects to the tote itself, that converts it into a 3/4 inch male connector. Then you're going to need this pipe coupler, which is 3/4 inch female to 1/2 inch female, and then the drinker nipple itself, which is a 1/2 inch male connector. And what you're going to do is you're going to connect all three of these together, and you're going to wrap the threads using this Teflon tape to help to avoid leaks. And I'll put links in the video description to all of these items to help make it easier for you to find them. All right, once it's assembled, it should look like this. All right, now that you've got it assembled, you just simply screw it on. Hey guys, if you like this video, please check the description below for links to items we may have used, as well as a link to our website, farmhacker.com, where you'll find more awesome stuff like this. Also, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified as soon as there are new videos posted. Thanks for watching.